When creating or editing an invoice in Cliniko, if you see the error message that quantity must be an integer, the root of this issue is that the quantity field has to be a whole number. Decimals or fractions are not accepted. When you're charging for something partial, like an hourly service that didn't quite fill a whole hour, say 45 minutes or 1.5 hours, that's when this error usually pops up. To tackle this, most clinics create a new billable item just for these scenarios. When you add the billable item to the invoice, you can modify either the quantity or the unit price to match the partial service. For example, if I charge a fee for every 15 minutes, I can change the billable item quantity accordingly. Alternatively, you can set the billable item to $0 initially in your settings. That way, when you add the item to your future invoices, rather than adjusting the quantity, you'll adjust the unit price manually as needed. Using these methods will fix the error on your invoices, but reach out if you have any additional questions.